Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day here at the Cheese Moon Workshop. Happy Easter to everybody. It is an absolutely gorgeous day outside. Just had a wonderful Easter dinner and came in here to make a video for y'all. I apologize for not having posted very much recently. We've just got a lot of things going on. But with no further ado, we'll jump in here. Today I want to revisit a couple knives that I've talked about before. This little Coyote by Colonial. I got this, it had a broken tip. Had to reprofile the blade, recut the swedge, and decent little knife. And then here is the mate to that knife, not a Coyote, just a regular old lockback knife. Love the blade profile on these. It's almost a complete flat grind, super slicey. Excuse me. And again, these are made by Colonial. I would say buck inspired. The construction is not even close to the same. As you can see here, if I can bring up where you can see it, these have separate bolsters, then there's the liner, then there's two little spacers in between them. The finish, this is, I believe, probably a nickel silver type bolster that they put a wash on to make it look like brass. Here it's almost completely gone. On this one you can see the brass finish and then the silver along the edges where it's been worn off. The reason I'm revisiting these knives that are made by Colonial is during a cleanup and trying to get things organized and see what's going to go to Ellaville, what's staying, what I still need to do, I ran across this knife. And I sort of wrote this knife off before these guys came along. You know, this is a genuine leather USA sheath, never been carried. Inside was this advertising knife. And it says the lowest cost holes in town. I sincerely hope they're talking about golf. But it's the same knife, the same brass type of wash, the same exact construction, same size. I mean, it is the same knife. Not close, you know, whatever, it is exactly the same. It's a plastic scales. The Colonial ones have like a saw cut type texture. This is dead smooth with this embossed or engraved advertising. This says Colonial Stainless USA. Okay. This Coyote just says Colonial Providence USA. I was expecting one of those two when I opened this knife, but this one says Sharp. Sharp Stainless USA, model 909. So, geez, inquiring mind want to know. So I did start doing some research on this newer version of these knives, and I found out that Sharp was the store brand for Kmart, much like Ozark Trail is the current store brand for Walmart. Sharp knives were the store brand for Kmart. So I thought that was pretty cool history or information. So I started digging into searching online and all about pocket knives and Worth Point and several others, and I came across a knife with this advertising on it, and it said Colonial, and it also said Ranger, and it also said LB7, all on the same tag stamp. I'll post it right over here. I just thought that was super cool. So I asked Google, did Colonial make knives for Schrade for the LB7, because that said LB7, and the answer was yes. They made some, knives for a lot of different people. I don't have an LB7 currently. I have one coming to me. I'm going to do a good comparison. I believe the blade is similar, but the housing construction might be a bit different. But I just thought that was really cool that one knife had Colonial, it had LB7, and it had Ranger on there. So that was just kind of interesting to me. I'll share that picture again, like I said, on there. But there we go, guys. Jumping back in, I've got another knife I picked up yesterday, a couple knives. Immediately following this video, I'm going to record that video. Also a very cool find. So there you go, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.